Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change in-game skin in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So you can change into tone down skin or make it default. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can create your own tactic or to build up the team or how you can manage the club like finance and also players contract here, and also you can get this game from Netflix for free. It's free if you are make a subscription in Netflix apps mobile version, and if you do not have Netflix you can get this game from App Store or Google Play Store, but you have to pay in some amounts. Let's get started. This is I'm using the default skin. As you can see, the combination between purple or and orange here. So you can tone down, make it more calm by tap the settings button, tap settings, tap view, tap user interface, scroll down, and this one, the last option here, skin, tap and tap the tone down. Make sure tone down is your select, tap confirm, and as you can see the orange become green or Tosca here. Make it a more calm in your skin. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.